I'm going inside, and not that much of crowd came today, so let's give it a talk. That is kitchen area, so we are not allowed to go there. So here you can see a lot of menus and displays are here, and there are two options, veg and non-veg. So I'm a vegetarian, so definitely I'm going to buy for me vegetarian pizza. So you can see that menus are here, and if you are coming on Wednesday, then you will get offers on Wednesday on Friday. Good evening, guys. So today I came to Airoli, and in Sector 3, Airoli West. In case if you don't know, it is opposite to Airoli station, and I came here La Pino Pizza. I wanted to try, and I haven't showed in my video, so I thought I will try this La Pino Pizza because I haven't tried first of all, and I have heard, the way their dough, downside of that dough, they cook, that is proper cooked. So I thought let me try, and I will share my experience with you guys. And so it is in Airoli first of all, and so since 2012, so they have opened, and not here but in some different country. And in Airoli it has been I think 2019, so they have started. So it's quite like 2 3 years and 4 years they have completed here. And actually I have seen a lot of certificates from the other brands, so they have got different kind of certificate, and I asked them, and they haven't received any kind of complaint from people, so that is the good thing. And all my guys, whatever food I explore, I try to explore good food, good taste, and that should never affect to your body and your stomach especially. And since this is summer, so if you want to chill, hang out with your friends, family, or your special one, then come here. This spot is really very good, I have seen, and they give discount on Wednesday and Friday. So it is actually, I have, like I'm right now I'm seeing, so it is they have two side of sitting area, like inside, so there is a full AC, and outside, like if you want to see the crowd or you want to just enjoy the weather, so that would be great. And like I am sitting here, so there people were sitting there, so I thought I will never go and disturb. It's not good to disturb them. Okay, so let's come with me. And yeah, sorry, so they have told me about this their lunch, like this is new combo came in their cooking, that in their menu it came. So that was it's a combo pack for a lunch. So it is start at 10 to 4, and so that I have ordered, and I thought I will share that one. And they have updated, so that's quite great. So let's give our order, and I will show you their entire sitting area places. And actually people are not here, some people are here, so if they will not have any problem, then I can record. If they have a problem, then sorry guys. So here my pizza has arrived, as you can see. So let's open. And it's quite hot. Like I can feel from outside of the box. But I told them I want small one, but I don't know why they have given me this big. Because I am the only one person, so how can I finish one pizza? And I'm sitting here, I don't know why they covered with proper. How I will open it? It's taking too much time to open for this. Quickly I'm opening. Very quickly. Ooh, it's look good. Wait, let me turn my camera, then I can show you. Oh wow, brownie also came. Wait guys, I will show you. See? It has arrived. Wow. This is that their combo for lunch combo they have updated. And this is, I think, I have ordered a sweet corn pizza. So you can see, and I don't know about this one. Later I will ask them, maybe complimentary. And this is brownie, and here that red chili or there some, and this is soya. It's look good. So I'm adding that. I don't know what we call that. Ergoner. I don't know. Let me know guys in what we call that. I know only red chili because I'm not eating like that much of pizza and all. I have ordered that sweet corn. And I think this is red one. This is green one, so that maybe some what we call it. I know only this red chili. They give us red chili and all. I'm trying to cut, but it is not cutting. How should I cut this? Wait, I will take. I did it, but I did it with my, I tore this with my tears. My mouth is watering. So let's take our first bite. Guys, you can't see because see, this pizza is downside and I have put it my phone upside. No one is here to record my video. I am the only one person who is recording all of this. Oh wow, cheesy. See, that cheese is there. And you can see that I have added that red chili and that orgoni we call it. I don't know, but I can't pronounce it. So here's my goes first bite. Good. And one thing I like about this one, this bread, it's not that much of thick. It's very thin and it has cooked properly. So it's not not that much, you know, raw, and it's cooked properly, so you can eat it. I actually like this. Well, let me take one more bite. It's quite good. And I don't know about this. What is this? Really? I don't know what is this, but I'm having. Maybe this is kind of complimentary. They have. So let's try. Actually, this is, you know, this bread, you know, it's thick, and they haven't added that corn. In pizza they have added only, but in this they haven't added. Only cheese is there. Like, you know, creamy, it's coming, and really it's delicious. It's quite good. And they told me we will give you that Coke bottle. I think they maybe forgot, but I will keep remember them. So my brownie they have given me brownie. So guys, if you like, oh wow, look at this brownie. Oh my god. You know very well I am a chocolate lover, so this is really good. This is good. And you know, guys, like, you are craving for a lunch and you wanted to eat something, you know, something different, like what we eat every day. So on that day you want to eat something different, then grab this pizza. Really delicious, yeah. You can, you know, fill your stomach. Wow, I love this. So I will enjoy this my pizza. And actually I remembered them. They haven't given me Coke, so I remembered them, as I told you, because I want to show you everything what you will get for a lunch. And he said sorry to me. Here is my Coke. See, it's quite nice now. And what else you want in life? Like having a pizza is really good. And in summer we need this thumbs up. Yeah, sorry, this is Coca-Cola actually. Sorry. I'm sorry. This is Coca. How nice it is, you know. It's very easy to, you know, come outside and eat. Really, you know, I'm feeling, you know, very chilly here. I'm just enjoying my pizza and really this pizza, you know, very easy to eat, yeah. Means, oh my god. With lots of cheesy, and if you are a cheesy lover, then how you can say no to cheese? How you can say no to pizza? Right? And I'm seeing here while sitting and eating here, so a lot of, you know, they are they have a delivery also, so they can deliver your pizza at home. So I'm seeing, you know, a lot of bikes are going and orders are coming. Like they are very busy, that receptionist. Like they are taking the orders and people are coming, and I'm seeing, one cleaner is here. So if you are finished with your meal, immediately he will come. He will swipe your table, clean, hygienic. This is, one thing I like about. In some places, not everywhere, I would say. That thing, attract customer to come again and again. And this is not that much of heavy. Like when I had, other pizza on street, somewhere else I have. I will not take the name. It's not good. So that dough, that this bread was really very raw. It was not cooked properly. So next day my stomach was paining a lot. But here I can see, this is really good, and like you will not feel that much of heaviness after having, the other pizza. You feel so heavy, but this is not that much of heavy. That is, I like to. That is why I chose this place to explore. And the receptionists, they are very good. They are, supportive. Like, ma'am, order this. This is very nice. This we have updated here. Sit here. Staff, staff should be good. So we can, coordinate properly with them. And hygiene should be there everywhere. I like to record, street food, but sometimes I thought no. If that food is good, then why should not we should visit? We should support them. And they also feel, good people are coming, they are recording our vlog. It's kind of, joyful. They feel from inside. Everyone is coming here. Like, it's a small kid, and forget about adults. We adults eat a lot this, but small kid also these days, they like pizza, burger a lot. Anyone, this is, like if someone will tell me what's your favorite food, and like you want to die after that food, that would be my answer would be pizza only. Really, like, what should I say about pizza? The cheesy, wow, that cheesy pizza, make me so cheesy. No cheese, more love. See, this is my last bite. I have eaten all pizza by myself. I'm so hungry. And when you see my bite, guys, don't get jealous, okay? Come to here to La Piano Pizza and eat. Grab your pizza and order. There are a bunch of other things was there. That paneer, mixed vegetables, onion, tomato, capsicum. That they have given complimentary. Actually, I wanted to ask, like, what is this, but they seem too busy, so I haven't asked them. I'm having, but it's good. Like, I think it's a kind of pizza, second form of pizza, if I'm not wrong. But it's a little bit like a pizza. That pizza is creamy, a lot of cheese was there. I can see the cheese is there. But when I had that pizza, was like, my senses can understand, yeah, that is pizza, but this is something a little bit different. I think maybe they have use their different breads for this. It is the taste is not coming from like a pizza, like so I can understand very well. And whatever it is really good. We are lucky we are having a food. Some people they don't have a food, so whatever food come in front of us, we should never say this is wrong, this is bad. We are lucky to having food. That is the greatest thing. So I finished pizza, so that chocolate you can see. I'm eating this chocolate. I'm sorry. Messy eater. Maybe I did mistake because I had taken that brownie in my hand. That was wrong. Chocolate, chocolate is my favorite actually. Like I made my clothes very dirty, and like this table is also dirty. So after I will finish my meal, so I will keep in this boxes everything, whatever it has messed. So I wanted to eat one more, but now I will not eat because see, I have to go home. I have to catch my dinner also. Because otherwise, my mother she will get angry on me. What is this? I made for you and you are eating that pizza, and so she will not feel good now. That's why after I will have my dinner, but not now. I think later, like. I think 5-6 are later. And that was quite stomach filled pizza today I had. And for lunch it's good actually. For like if you are craving for something different, and you can actually eat this pizza combo for lunch, and it opens 10 to 4 only. So must visit this place, La Pino Pizza, and it is located in Airoli, Sector 3, Airoli West, and next to Airoli Station. Like suppose if you will come outside of that Airoli Station, then you will get to see their nameplate, and opposite to that Airoli Station, so you can have, because here that in that side that Mind Space is there. So from I have seen a lot of people are coming here to eat that pizza. So on Friday I have seen I saw a lot of crowd was there. So because here in Airoli people are living that all they are living without parents, so sometimes they can't eat, they can't make their lunch. So for them it's good actually. As you can see, I have finished everything. So thank you for watching my video, and hit the notification bell and like, share, subscribe to my video, and I will see you soon.